Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ayomide Graphics. In this video, we will be learning how to create the back view of a business card in Pixellab. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. First thing, we choose our image size. We choose 91 by 61. Now let's change our background color to white. Now let's set up our grid, 10 horizontally, then 10 vertically, 10 by 10. Now let's import our image from gallery. Now we lock it. We are drawing our overlay, so let us make a shape for the overlay. Now let's reduce the opacity to 80%, then lock it as well. Now let's start drawing our shapes. We are drawing 4 shapes, so now we draw the first one and give it color, also give it a stroke and give it shadow. Now let's go to rotate to give it an angle. I think I'll go with 60 degree. Yes, 60 is good. See, try to check it very well. Now we lock the first shape as well. Then copy that shape again. Copy the shape. See, copied it. Now we change the color. Change the color. Also change the stroke color too as well. Now I'm going to cut out some parts using the max tool. Now I'm done. I'll click the enabled. While the max mode is in, like not out, in. Now we are done with the second shape. We've locked it. Now we copy it again. We copy the second shape. Now change the color. Change the color back. Change the stroke color too as well. Now let's take this to the back, drag it down. You see it's at the back. As you can see, we are creating a good professional business card. I'm making our back view of a professional business card. We copy the first shape, copy that. Now we are going to create the last shape. We have to edit the last shape. As said earlier in the video, we are creating 4 shapes. Now we use the max tool to cut out some parts in this shape. Click the enable, and this time around the max mode will be out. The max mode will be out. Now you see that is the 4th shape. We are done with the 4th shape. Now I'm going to click the plus icon at the top left corner of my phone, then click from gallery to import the logo. Now let's write the company name. Let's give the company name color. Let's give it color. Now let's change the fonts. Let's go with the fonts. Let me go with the default fonts. I'll choose Vigo. I'll go with Vigo. Now let's give it stroke color. Now let's write our tagline. Wow, look at what we just done, using just only 4 shapes to create the back view of a professional business card. Let's add the text for the website name. Now I'm going to adjust the logo name and the tagline to the middle. Wow, look at what we have done so far. I have copied the image now. Now let's click on the layer icon at the top right corner of the phone. Yes, click on it, that's it. Now we drag it down, like down. Now we drag it behind the overlay. As you can see, that's it, it's behind the overlay. Let's reduce the opacity of the image. Click on the shape tool, opacity, then reduce it to 45%. Now that's it. Wow, look at what we just did. Now we've created a good back view of a professional business card. Now let's save it. Click on save as image, click on dimension, then click on custom, change it to ultra, then save to gallery. That's how to make a good, amazing professional business card. If you like this video, kindly click the like button and also click the subscribe button below to get updates on new video tutorials. Don't forget to also comment on what you think about this video tutorial and also share this video across your socials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.